Hello, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you guys on a Tuesday, November the 14th. And boy, what a day we had today. Finally back in the green, so that is good, but barely. I think we made about $100 today. I felt like I worked my tail off to get there. It just seemed like today my ATM strategy, the way I trade, or the way my ATM is set up, it seemed to stop me out quite a bit. Let me see if I can show you. So I have a 30 tick stop loss, 100 ticks in profit, and I'm trailing a 25 tick stop. So basically when we get to 26 ticks in profit, I start trailing at 25 ticks behind that profit. And it seemed like today a lot of my trades I got stopped out in profit, but just a little bit. So I never had any really big trades. I almost overtraded today. I think I took TradeZella told me I took 146 trades today, which is a ton. I usually don't trade nearly that amount, but it is what it is. I was very, very happy with how I read things today. I did a really good job of trading along the EMA. That is typically when I trade the best, when I'm taking my entries around the 21 EMA, not straying too far away from that. I also did a really good job today of trading with the trend. As you can see here in this example, I was taking long trades as we were having an uptrend, and then I was taking short trades as we were having a downtrend. This is really just a good example of how my day went. If you look at this, winner, loser, and then winner, winner, and I had called this downtrend perfectly. My entry point was really good up here. I had one small winner here, got stopped out for a slight win. We went back, and I really should have re-entered right at the top here, and I didn't. But we just had, I called it great. I had a really good winner down here at the bottom, but I just had a lot of this today where I was reading it right, and either my entries were off a little bit or just the ATM stopping me out, but I really didn't have any major wins today. But overall, I'm really happy with how the day went. We had this huge rip, 200-point rip in about 2 minutes this morning. I think we had CPI news early at 7:30 or no 8:30, I think it was. So I had a couple of trades in the morning. My first trade was a loser, had a couple of winners, started the day off quite well, and obviously wasn't trading news. And then had a little winner here soon after the open. And then I took a couple losing trades, and then the day just continued. I had a good win rate day. I think I had 29 winning trades and 13 losing trades, or learning trades, as Alpine Trader likes to say, and I totally agree with that. They may be losers on the scoreboard of monetary value, but those are trades where you look at and you go, what did I do wrong? For example, here we had one, I took a short at the bottom here when we were actually reversing, and I just read it wrong. The one loser that I had, if you look at my accounts, this one I lost $25, 37, 97, 102, 94, 89, 89, just small winners, and then I lost 139 on my 150K. On my UProfit account, I made 235. That was the best one. And my PA account, I made $30. So we didn't make much, but we made $30. So that's a profit. I think we're just under $200 under the 50,000 mark, or break even. So hopefully we have a good day tomorrow and we can make that back. But this account up here where I lost 516, that stopped me out at GAT. Actually, no, I think my stop set at 600. But in any case. What happened with that trade was right here. I had entered a short because we just had this big drop off. I entered a short, and then I entered another sell order at I want to say 20 ticks behind the first one in case it pulls back. So it pulls back, fills that order. We gain some profit, and then we actually go back and it stops me out, and somehow the trade copier stopped me out from a few of the trades, but it left this one running, and I didn't catch it right away. And because I was in at 2 contracts, it stopped me out for a couple $100 loss, even though it doesn't look like much here. And that account was already in the red by a couple $100, and so we ended up at negative 516. So I just stopped trading it. But I don't do that very often, where I'm kind of, I think you call that fading out. I'm not quite sure what the proper terminology is there. But in any case, That's what happened here. The yellow circles are trades I took with the PA account, and I was copy trading, other accounts as well. I typically was copy trading these three with my PA, and I think this one as well. I took a lot of trades with this 150, but I'm trying to get it back out of the doldrums that it's in. So, but yeah, today was just one of those days. I was really, really glad. One of my problems the last few days has been the last part of the day. I get ripped up. I may take some bad trades. I did take a bad one here. Followed that up with several winners. Again, got stopped out before the trade could really turn into a nice profitable trade. And then this trade here at the end of the day, I did lose I don't know, $150 on this trade. And this was I didn't lose that much. It was more like 80 maybe. This was a total gamble. What I was trying to do was get these three accounts over 50,000. They were at 40. Yeah, they were at like 49. This one was 49,976 or something like that when I took that trade. And I was just trying to gain another $40 or so and get it back up to 50. Well, it started going against me, and I just stopped it out for a loss. So that was, I was playing games, which I should have been playing, but whatever. It is what it is. So overall, I feel like I had a pretty good day. I felt pretty happy with how the day went today. So we'll be back at it tomorrow. I am pretty tied up tomorrow. I'm probably only going to be able to trade from about 11 until 2-ish tomorrow, so just the midday range. So we'll see how tomorrow goes. I'm hoping to at least have a profitable day with my PA account and hopefully have a profitable day with these top ones. I've done a really nice job on these 6 here that are in green. The first 3 I've had back-to-back green days, and the bottom 3 I've had 3 straight days of profits now with those accounts. So that's good, and I want to keep that streak continuing. That's kind of been my problem. I'll have a couple good days and then have a bad day, and have a couple good days and have a bad day on a specific account. So even though I'm in green, I'm not gaining, or I'm not going anywhere with my accounts in general. Like this account here is at 50,255, and I think today was day 13 or 14. So it's like we have this little seesaw thing that we do. And I've got to get better at that. And I just feel like today, even though the P&L doesn't show it, today feels like it was a good day. Like I said, I had 29 winners, 13 losers, good win rate, read the market well, even though we had a lot of volatility and chop. I mean, there were several times where the volume was pretty incredible during the day, and I read it well. Just ATM, like I said, stopped me out on, without getting a big winner at any point. So another learning day, a good day. I'm happy with it, and we'll be back tomorrow, and we'll see what we can do. So good luck, and we'll catch you on the flip side.